Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you see, we have a PS4 Slim, I believe. I could be wrong. Either that or it's either a PS4 Slim or a PS4. You can see that's on, and there's a black screen. So meaning that it's sending signal through, but it's not displaying onto the TV itself. There could be a variety of reasons for this, such as, like, let's say if we went from a bigger TV to this TV, sometimes the resolution does not change automatically, and so this happens. In my case, I haven't switched anything. I'm gonna go through some simple troubleshoots to see if I can't fix this, and if anyone else has English words. If anyone else has run into issues like this, they have a video to kind of follow along with. So first thing I'm going to do obviously is check the picture. So okay, we are in game mode, and we're also, is there an input button on here? I don't think it is on this remote. So input for this TV would be this on the side here. So what I want to do is go through and check the other HDMI too. Seems like it's not pursuing signal there either. So, alright, so now what I want to do is unplug the HDMI. So we unplug, check the inner parts, which from the looks of it, nothing looks broken or anything from my point of view. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Yeah, so nothing brass-wise looks broke, so which is good. And I also apologize for like the jet engine. That's my heater back there. It likes to be loud sometimes. Another thing what we want to check for too is make sure that you got it plugged in all the way on the back. Oh, also, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film this. Let's try that. Will that work? Okay, so there are, on the Xbox, there's two HDMI ports. On this one, there looks to be just one. And we want to put that one right here. And it's in because we heard it click. And we're still not receiving signal because we're on the other HDMI. My curiosity is why this is coming up as a computer when it's not. It's a PlayStation. And we're still... Oh, there it is. Okay, so like I said, what happens is sometimes the format of the video that's being portrayed is different from the resolution on the TV. So this was working properly and sending signal, but it was matched to a different format, such as like that TV out there or the TV in there, which is a 60-inch, and I believe this is just, I don't even know what that is. That's a prehistoric TV, but let's say if you went from a 60-inch and you hopped back into this room, it for some reason will think that you're still on the 60-inch, and then therefore it will give you just a black screen. Hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Apologize the mess. There's just shit everywhere just because my life is in disarray right now. Busy beaver, but yeah, I'll have more content coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.